Hello, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the sprockets from a freewheel hub. In this case we're talking about a Sachs French cassette from, I believe it is 1989. It's a 7-speed while the bike has 6-speed shifters, so I thought I would remove them and maybe downgrade it to 6-speed. And the thing with, at first I thought it was a Shimano Uniglide, and both those cassettes and this one are kept in place by using the last sprocket as a lock ring. So you will need 2 chain whips to keep the cassette in place, while the other one releases the sprocket by turning it counterclockwise. The camera is just a bit too close to the wheel, so it fell. And as you can see, I turned the top sprocket off, and then all of the other sprockets and the washers are, with some wiggling, come back off as well. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, drop a like, and as always, if you have any questions for new videos, leave a comment below. And you can visit my website, Restoration.bike, for more background information. Good luck with your own bike restorations, and I hope to see you on the next video.